Hello, Mike with Carmichael Cleaning here, and welcome back to our channel. Please hit like and subscribe if you enjoy cleaning content. We do most of our commercial work in the slower season, January, February. So we will be putting out a lot more commercial cleaning content in the next few weeks here. Today we're actually at Twice the Deal Pizza in New Hamburg. Harvard called us out to do some tile and grout cleaning. A lot of square footage. I believe it was, it was around 1,200 square feet that we did. And we did a really great job getting on all the nooks and crannies and underneath everything. He enjoyed our job so much, he right away gave us a 5-star review. So if you are looking for any tile and grout restoration, commercial or residential, don't forget to give us a call, 519-208-8533. Have yourselves a great day, and we'll see you in the next video.